What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do a rock to fakie on a vert ramp for vert beginners. Not beginners, but vert beginners. That's a totally different thing. So learn to do a rock and roll. Since you're facing your normal direction as you come in, it's going to be easier. You can knee slide out of it easier. After that, learn to do this. Lift your front wheels up and just kind of drift over the coping. Now, the rock to fakie is probably harder than all of these other tricks. So you might want to learn to do feebles, rock and rolls, axle stalls, tail stalls, all of that stuff. All these are easier because rock to fakie is scary on vert because you could definitely fall, but you're not going to because you're going to listen to this. So you're just going to barely tap the middle of your board up there. And you're not going to think about it too much, and you're going to lift it up and just go back in. If you fall, you fall.